Yo guys, what's going on? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Moviebox Pro completely for free. This is how you can watch any movie and show on your iOS device or Android device. This is a free download. This does not require a jailbroken device, as we do not want to stuff up our phones. This is a non-jailbreak, and this is pretty much like how you can watch any movie for free, and on your mobile device or your iPad or your iPod Touch. So it says Moviebox Pro. To get started, welcome to Moviebox Pro. We have to inject it into our phone, and this is completely free. So you want to press the Get Started button, and we're going to press Get Started. And then it's going to download this. It's going to say the Moviebox download. Please install 2 free apps to download Moviebox Pro. So all we have to do is simply download and run 2 of these free apps that's going to install Moviebox Pro on our device completely for free. So I'm just going to do that right now and show you guys. So I'm going to download that app here, and this is just a way to make sure that the app injects in with the Apple Store applications, as you can see here. So I'm just downloading this app right now, and then once you've got Moviebox Pro, you can pretty much watch any movie on demand, any shows that pretty much come out at the movies as well. As long as they're good quality, they're going to be uploaded to the Moviebox Pro movie archive, so that's awesome. I'm going to download a third one here just to make sure. So if you guys got a few there, that's completely fine as well. All you have to do is simply wait, and we should be good here. And I'm going to download this app as well. So guys, once you have done that, all these apps are completely free. They do not cost you anything, so there's really nothing to lose here. As you can see, this is working on both the Apple Store and Google Play Store. It will inject onto your mobile device, and then you'll be able to get Moviebox Pro completely for free. So guys, what we're doing now is simply just waiting till these apps install. Once these apps have installed, we can then delete these applications, and I'm going to delete these apps after I've got it. What you guys should do is simply download these applications, run them, then maybe reset your device. I'm not sure, I can't remember if you have to reset your device. But yeah, you can delete these applications after Moviebox has finished installing on your device as well. Once that's happened, you can simply open up and start watching any movie you'd like for free. So as you see here, I'm just opening these apps, just waiting for it to open. And again, this is just injecting Moviebox Pro onto our device, as you can see. And I'm going to go and do that application. This is pretty much the only working method that's available online at the moment, and it's completely free, so there's really nothing to lose here. As you can see, I'm just opening this application. They sometimes want you to sign up for a free trial. Just make sure you never click those, guys. You don't want to pay for anything. This is only a free working method, so you don't want to pay for anything or start any free trials. So once we've got all those 3 apps, you might have to restart your device. I'm not 100% sure, but Moviebox should start installing. If it doesn't, restart your device and it should be there. However, you can now delete these apps, and then you are good to go. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed, and peace out. Enjoy, guys.